Have you ever wondered who the real heroes of our oceans and lakes are? They're not whales, sharks, or even fish, they're the tiny, microscopic organisms called phytoplankton. Phytoplankton are free-floating, plant-like organisms that can perform photosynthesis, just like trees on land. Using sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water, they create energy-rich compounds that fuel life in aquatic ecosystems. That's why they're known as primary producers. They form the base of nearly all aquatic food webs. Imagine the food chain. The sun provides energy. Phytoplankton use that energy to grow. They are eaten by zooplankton. Small fish eat the zooplankton. And finally, larger predators, like tuna or whales, feed on those fish. This invisible cycle supports almost every living creature in the water. Phytoplankton are found everywhere there is light and nutrients, from freshwater lakes to the open ocean. And here's the amazing part, phytoplankton produce about 50 to 85% of the world's oxygen. That means every second breath you take is thanks to them. So, next time you think of the ocean, remember, it's not just the big animals that matter. It's these tiny, floating powerhouses that keep our planet alive. Why are phytoplankton crucial in aquaculture? When it comes to rearing larval fish, shrimp, and especially bivalves like clams, oysters, and scallops, prepared feeds are simply too big. These tiny larvae need live feed, and that's where phytoplankton plays a crucial role. Phytoplankton are more than just microscopic plants in the water. They provide a complete nutritional package: proteins, lipids, carbohydrates, essential vitamins, and even natural pigments that support healthy growth and development. But their value doesn't stop at nutrition. In recirculating aquaculture systems, phytoplankton also help improve water quality by consuming nitrogenous wastes such as ammonia and nitrates. This natural filtering process keeps the environment healthier for the larvae. Another key method is the greenwater technique, where phytoplankton are added directly to larval tanks. This technique offers multiple benefits. It provides hiding spots for larvae, reducing stress and cannibalism. It improves visibility, making prey like rotifers easier for larvae to spot and catch. And again, it contributes to better overall water quality. In short, phytoplankton are not just food, they are an essential life support system in aquaculture, ensuring higher survival rates and healthier larvae. In aquaculture, not all phytoplankton are created equal. Some stand out as the all-star team, the most valuable species used to support fish, shrimp, and shellfish farming. Let's meet the lineup. First up, chlorella species. These freshwater microalgae are tiny but mighty. Next, Arthrospora, better known as spirulina. Also freshwater, spirulina is famous worldwide as a superfood, even for humans. Moving to the marine environment, we have Isocrasis species. These golden brown microalgae are rich in fatty acids, especially DHA. And rounding out the team, Nanochloropsis species. Small but nutrient-dense, these marine phytoplankton are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. Together, these four form the all-star team of phytoplankton in aquaculture, each playing a unique role in ensuring healthy, strong, and fast-growing aquatic animals. Chlorella is a small, spherical, unicellular green alga from the group Chlorophyta. It is hardy, fast-growing, and highly valued in aquaculture. Nutritionally, chlorella is a powerhouse. Its protein content is very high, about 50 to 60% of its dry weight. It also contains moderate amounts of lipids, around 10 to 30%, including essential fatty acids such as linoleic acid and alpha-linolenic acid. In addition, chlorella provides vitamins A, C, and the B complex. It also contains the unique chlorella growth factor, a mix of nucleic acids and peptides that promote rapid cell growth and regeneration. Chlorella thrives under specific conditions. It grows in freshwater habitats. The ideal temperature is 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. The pH should be between 6 and 7. And since it is a freshwater species, no salinity is required. Because of its rich nutrition and adaptability, Chlorella is known as the protein-packed workhorse of aquaculture. It supports zooplankton, fish larvae, and even higher-value aquatic species. Spirulina, also known as Arthrospora, is a filamentous, spiral-shaped cyanobacterium. Unlike most microalgae, it is larger and has a distinctive spiral structure. Nutritionally, spirulina is exceptional. Its protein content is extremely high, about 60 to 70% of its dry weight. Even more impressive, it provides a complete amino acid profile. Its lipid content is low, only 5 to 10%, but it includes an important fatty acid called gamma-linolenic acid. Spirulina is also rich in natural pigments such as phycocyanin, which gives it a blue color, and carotenoids, which are orange. It contains vitamin B12 and powerful antioxidants, making it highly valuable for both aquaculture and human nutrition. Spirulina grows best under very specific conditions. It thrives in freshwater with high alkalinity. The ideal temperature is between 35 and 37 degrees Celsius. It can tolerate some salinity but grows best in low salinity water. And it prefers a highly alkaline environment, with a pH between 9 and 11. Because of its outstanding nutrition, spirulina is often called the superfood cyanobacterium. It not only supports aquaculture species but is also widely consumed as a dietary supplement for humans. Isocrasis is a small, golden-brown, flagellated marine alga from the group Haptophyta. Though tiny, it plays a critical role in marine hatcheries. Nutritionally, Isocrasis is well-balanced. Its protein level is moderate. But its true strength lies in its lipids, which make up about 20 to 30% of its dry weight. Most importantly, Isocrasis is exceptionally rich in omega-3 fatty acids, especially DHA, or docosahexaenoic acid. It also contains EPA. These fatty acids are essential for the neurological and visual development of marine larvae, giving them the best chance of survival. Isocrasis thrives under typical marine conditions. It grows in seawater with a salinity of 30 to 35 parts per thousand. The ideal temperature is between 20 and 25 degrees Celsius. And it prefers a pH range of 7.5 to 8.5. Because of its richness in DHA, Isocrasis is considered one of the most important live feeds for shellfish, shrimp, and fish larvae. It is a vital link in aquaculture nutrition, ensuring healthy development from the earliest stages of life. Nanochloropsis is a small, non-motile marine microalga that has become one of the most widely used species in aquaculture. Although it looks simple under the microscope, its nutritional value makes it a key player in hatcheries worldwide. Nutritionally, Nanochloropsis stands out for its lipids. It contains moderate protein levels, but its strength lies in its high content of omega-3 fatty acids, especially EPA, or eicosapentaenoic acid. These fatty acids are essential for the growth, immunity, and survival of marine larvae. This makes Nanochloropsis an ideal live feed for fish, shrimp, and shellfish hatcheries. For growth, Nanochloropsis requires standard marine conditions. It thrives in seawater with a salinity between 30 and 35 parts per thousand. The ideal temperature range is 20 to 24 degrees Celsius. And it prefers a pH between 7.5 and 8.5. Because of its rich omega-3 profile and ease of cultivation, Nanochloropsis is often described as the omega-3 powerhouse of aquaculture. It provides the essential nutrition that early-stage larvae need to develop into healthy juveniles. This table highlights the key differences between the major phytoplankton species used in aquaculture. The choice of species is never random. It is always a strategic decision, based on the specific nutritional needs of the target animal. For example, some larvae may require more protein, while others depend heavily on omega-3 fatty acids like DHA or EPA. No single phytoplankton species can provide everything in perfect balance. That is why hatcheries often use a mixture of species. By combining chlorella, spirulina, isocrasis, and nanochloropsis, they can create a more complete and balanced diet. This approach ensures better survival, faster growth, and healthier aquatic animals from the larval stage onward. Phytoplankton are the essential foundation for successful aquaculture, especially in hatcheries. Selecting the right species is critical, and it always depends on the specific nutritional needs of the target animal. For example, DHA supports brain and eye development, while EPA is vital for healthy growth. In freshwater systems, chlorella and spirulina act as powerhouses, providing protein and natural pigments. In marine systems, isocrasis and nanochloropsis supply the essential omega-3 fatty acids, DHA and EPA, that larvae cannot survive without. But success is not only about choosing the right species. Reliable production requires careful control of growing conditions, temperature, salinity, and pH, along with constant vigilance against contamination. Together, these practices ensure strong, healthy larvae and ultimately, a thriving aquaculture operation.